Hello, we're going to talk a little bit about the Speck phone case for the Galaxy Note 8. The Speck phone case is it's very simple. It's one of the easier ones that are out there. Even the packaging came with barely anything, and it was just no frills, no thrills. Here you go. This is going to work, and I actually like it a lot. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, as the military grade is drop tested up to 10 feet, and basically for installation, it's one of the easiest ones. Here you just take your phone, slide it in, and just work it around, and then you're done. And then it has, see these grooves here? These grooves allow the phone to stay in your hand easier, so that it's not gonna slip out of your hand when you're walking, moving, or anything like that. And it creates no bulk on the phone, so the phone is almost just a little bit bigger than what the phone is with this case that there is to it. And then you can't really see it, but it has all of the different buttons to allow you to use your phone. Now, one of the other things that I really enjoyed about this, besides this no slip groove into your hand phone, and it just feels great, this case does, is the fact that you can still utilize the edges to your phone. A lot of these phones today, a lot of the new ones that have come out in the past, say, year or so, all have these curved edges to them now, to where you can have your applications off to the side. And the case, they actually kept that in mind, and they went ahead and that work out, and so that you're still able to utilize all of your applications on your phone. It doesn't bother the camera at all. It protects it 100%. And like I said, you have that military grade, so that it drops. I mean, you can drop it up to 10 feet, and it's going to have that shock absorption to it, and you're going to be able to still keep your phone and make those phone calls and be a happy camper. Now, it has the 2 layers of protection, and it has an impact shock barrier that is, you can't see it, but it's built in here, right in the corners. It's a little bit bigger than everything else, and then that's that dual layer. And also, as you see here, you're still able to use utilize your earphones. You're still able to charge it, and then for your stylus, it pops out right there, and so easy breezy. And maybe actually you can see a little bit more how much it adds in those corners for those shock drops that you might have if you're pulling it out. If you're pulling it out of your pocket and then you drop it, I mean, actually a 10-foot drop is pretty uncommon, because most of the time it is when you're just standing, or if you're getting into your car. So you're looking at a 3 or 4 foot drop, depending on how tall you are. And yeah, the Speck case is actually something that I really enjoy. And then on the back, it has the grooves as well. Now, this is something that I added on to it, and so was this. Everybody has these on their phones now. It's a little bit of added protection as far as dropping it and whatnot, but without it, you still have this actual groove so that it fits into the palm of your hand when you're talking, and then the ones around the edges so that your hands can actually grip onto it and hold it, and you are good to go. Now, it also has a raised bezel, which protects the screen, which is right in here all the way around. So you have that much more protection from if you do drop your phone straight onto the floor, or if it catches off on one of these sides, you have all of that protection. The only way it's not going to protect is if there's a rock or something, and then the screen drops straight onto that rock, because then the case isn't going to help you. But hopefully you will have a screen protector that will. And a lot of these phones now, their screens are made out of that Gorilla Glass, so you don't really have to worry about it at all whatsoever. And this actually has a lifetime warranty, so you do not have to worry about anything with this case. If it starts getting loose, I've noticed that in the past, some of my other cases that I've had have gotten loose from just being able to pop in and pop out. And this has a lifetime warranty, and so you're able to just send it right back in, and they will take care of it and send another one on the way. So yeah, so popping it out is just that easy, just that quick, and it weighs nothing at all whatsoever. I can't even feel it. It feels like the same weight of a quarter, maybe. And the phone's much heavier than that. So yeah, it's designed for impact. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's the Speck right there. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is what your phone is actually going to be covering up, and you can see how those ridges are in there to actually hold your phone. And it's rubber, but it has still some give to it, so it's hard, and it has that actual give in case you do drop it. And it's one of the things that I really enjoy. And like I said, it has the buttons there so that you can still have functionality to your phone. So once again, you just pop it right in, and you are off to the races, and your phone is safe.